The grass withers, the flower fades, but the word of our God will stand forever. Isaiah 48. Welcome to our green oasis, Earthwise Living. Looking to spruce up your home with some greenery? Whether you're a plant newbie or a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. Discover the best indoor plants that are easy to care for, no matter your skill level. Get ready to turn your home into a jungle, minus the wild animals. Let's dive into the world of indoor plants, where even the blackest thumb can turn green, sharing care tips and tricks along the way. Let's start with a superstar of the plant world, the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This beauty is practically indestructible and perfect for those who are new to the joys of indoor gardening. They thrive in bright, indirect light, but can tolerate lower light conditions as well. Just remember, they really don't like to be overwatered. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Snake plants also help to purify the air, filtering out toxins and releasing oxygen at night. Whether you place them in a sleek pot on a shelf or let them stand tall in a beautiful basket, snake plants are an easy and stylish way to bring a touch of nature indoors. If you're looking for a plant that adds a burst of vibrant color to your home, look no further than the charming African violet. These delightful plants are perfect for brightening up any space with their vivid hues and lush foliage. These petite beauties are known for their delicate, velvety leaves and their profusion of cheerful blooms. The leaves are not only soft to the touch, but also have a unique texture that adds an extra layer of interest to the plant. They come in a wide array of colors, from classic purple and pink to soft white and even vibrant blue. This variety means you can find the perfect shade to complement your home decor, whether you prefer bold and bright or soft and subtle tones. The key to keeping African violets happy is to provide them with bright, indirect light and to avoid getting water on their leaves. Direct sunlight can be too harsh, so placing them near a window with filtered light is ideal. Water them from the bottom by placing the pot in a saucer filled with water, allowing the soil to soak up the moisture. This method helps prevent water spots on the leaves, which can cause damage and reduce the plant's overall health. With a little love and attention, your African violets will reward you with their cheerful blooms, adding a touch of joy to your home. Regularly check the soil to ensure it remains moist but not waterlogged, and consider using a balanced fertilizer to promote healthy growth and vibrant flowers. Additionally, grooming your African violets by removing spent blooms and yellowing leaves will keep them looking their best. With the right care, these charming plants can thrive and bring a splash of color to your home for years to come. Let's talk about a plant that's as practical as it is beautiful, the spider plant. This plant is not just a pretty face, it brings a host of benefits to your living space. This easy-to-care-for wonder is known for its air-purifying qualities and its ability to produce adorable little spiderettes. These spiderettes, or baby plants, can be easily propagated to grow new plants, making it a gift that keeps on giving. Spider plants are incredibly forgiving, making them a great choice for beginners or those of us who tend to be a little forgetful when it comes to watering. They can survive in a variety of conditions, which makes them perfect for busy lifestyles. They prefer bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. This versatility means you can place them almost anywhere in your home, from a sunny windowsill to a dimly lit corner. One of the things I love most about spider plants is their ability to clean the air, removing harmful toxins and releasing fresh oxygen into your home. Studies have shown that they can remove pollutants like formaldehyde and xylene, making your indoor environment healthier. Whether you display them in a hanging basket or let them cascade gracefully from a tall planter, spider plants add a touch of effortless charm and a breath of fresh air to any room. Their long, arching leaves create a beautiful natural aesthetic that complements any decor style. They are also known to be pet-friendly, so you don't have to worry about your furry friends getting sick if they decide to take a nibble. This makes spider plants an excellent choice for households with pets. With minimal care, just occasional watering and a bit of indirect sunlight, your spider plant will thrive and continue to purify the air in your home. So, if you're looking for a plant that's both beautiful and beneficial, the spider plant is a fantastic choice. Chapter 4. The Low-Light Champion. Meet the versatile pothos. If you're looking for a plant that can handle a little neglect and still thrive in low-light conditions, let me introduce you to the pothos. This trailing beauty is practically impossible to kill and can brighten up even the darkest corners of your home. Pothos come in a variety of shades, from vibrant green to golden yellow, and even variegated varieties with splashes of white or cream. When it comes to watering, pothos like to dry out a bit between waterings. Simply snip off a stem cutting just below a node and place it in a jar of water or directly into soil to propagate. Chapter 5. Low Maintenance and Striking the ZZ Plant. Let's be honest, sometimes we just want a plant that looks amazing without requiring a lot of fuss. That's where the ZZ plant comes in. It's like the strong, silent type of the plant world, effortlessly stylish and incredibly low maintenance. ZZ plants are known for their architectural shape and their glossy, dark green leaves. They store water in their bulbous roots, so they can go for weeks without being watered. Whether you place them in a sleek, modern pot or a rustic basket, ZZ plants add a touch of effortless style and a whole lot of life to any room without demanding constant attention. Chapter 6. Elegant and Air Purifying, the Beauty of the Peace Lily. If you're looking for a plant that's as elegant as it is effective at purifying the air, look no further than the peace lily. These graceful beauties are known for their striking white blooms and their ability to cleanse the air of harmful toxins. Peace lilies thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer to be kept evenly moist but not soggy. These elegant plants are not only beautiful, but they're also incredibly effective at removing common household toxins from the air. Their white blooms add a touch of serenity and sophistication to any room, making them a perfect choice for bedrooms, living rooms, or even offices. Let's talk about a plant that's as practical as it is beautiful, the aloe vera. This remarkable plant has been cherished for centuries, not just for its striking appearance, but also for its myriad of uses. This succulent wonder is known for its medicinal properties and its ability to thrive in even the driest of conditions. Its thick, fleshy leaves store water, making it incredibly drought-resistant and perfect for those who might not have a green thumb. Aloe vera has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, from burns and cuts to skin irritations and digestive issues. The gel inside its leaves is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a natural remedy for many skin and health problems. Aloe vera plants are incredibly easy to care for. They require minimal attention, making them ideal for busy individuals or those new to plant care. They prefer bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Overwatering can be detrimental, so it's best to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. These resilient plants are a great addition to any home, not only for their medicinal properties, but also for their unique beauty. Their presence can transform a space, adding a touch of nature and tranquility. Their spiky architectural shape adds a touch of desert chic to any space, and their ability to purify the air is an added bonus. Aloe vera plants can remove toxins from the air, improving indoor air quality and contributing to a healthier living environment. So, whether you're looking to enhance your home's aesthetic or seeking natural remedies, aloe vera is a perfect choice. Chapter 8. The Statement Maker, Caring for Your Fiddle Leaf Fig. If you're looking to add a touch of drama and sophistication to your home, the fiddle leaf fig is the plant for you. These trendy trees are known for their large sculptural leaves that resemble fiddles. Fiddle leaf figs prefer bright, indirect light and consistent temperatures. Watering can be a bit tricky, as they don't like to be overwatered or underwatered. The best way to tell if your fiddle leaf fig needs water is to stick your finger into the soil. Fiddle leaf figs can also be prone to pests, so it's important to inspect their leaves regularly for any signs of infestation. Chapter 9. Bold and Beautiful, the Robust Rubber Plant. For a statement-making plant that's as bold as it is beautiful, look no further than the rubber plant. These sturdy beauties are known for their large, glossy leaves that range in color from deep green to burgundy. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect light but can handle lower light conditions. When it comes to watering, rubber plants like to dry out slightly between waterings. Whether you choose a classic green variety or a more dramatic burgundy variety, rubber plants add a touch of bold beauty and a whole lot of life to any room. Chapter 10. Lush and Airy, Bringing Home the Boston Fern. Let's talk about a plant that brings a touch of lush, tropical elegance to any room, the Boston fern. These graceful beauties are known for their cascading fronds of delicate, lacy leaves that create a sense of airiness and tranquility. Boston ferns thrive in humid environments, so they're a great choice for bathrooms, kitchens, or any room with a humidifier. Boston ferns prefer bright, indirect light and consistently moist soil. Whether you display them in a hanging basket or let them cascade gracefully from a shelf, Boston ferns add a touch of timeless elegance and a breath of fresh air to any room. Outro: grow your own green oasis. Well, there you have it, 10 of the best indoor plants for every home and skill level. So go ahead and add a little green to your life. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more great content on home and garden tips.